are going to talk about how to create artwork without actually having any art materials. So we are actually going to be using Fruit Loops today as our art supply. And the first activity that I'm going to do is I would like to organize all of these into color. So I am going to work on sorting those into color right now, so that way I will have kind of my piles, and it's also a really good activity to help kids with their motor skills and also to like start categorizing color in a spectrum. So for me, because this is going to be a rainbow project, I'm going to start mine in rainbow order. So I'm going to do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So that way I'm already working on getting everything into rainbow order, but I'm also going to organize everything so that way I know where each cereal piece is at. You don't have to do the organization part. You can just start with the colors if you'd like. But I think that the organizational part is a really good activity for kids to do, and it also will just help with learning the color spectrum, learning colors, and learning how to sort items. Okay, so for this actual project, you will need a piece of paper. You could also do it without gluing anything down if you just wanted to do it as an activity. But if you would like to keep it so that way you can actually hang up the artwork, you will need paper. You'll also need white glue. White glue is going to work better than a glue stick because you can actually put the glue onto the cereal itself and it'll adhere to the paper better. But if you only have a glue stick, you could try it. I'm not sure it would work. We're also going to be using cotton balls. So I just have mine in a container in my bathroom usually, but you don't need these until the end. So what we're gonna do first in order to do a rainbow, it's really up to you. You could do a stripe, you could do like a half circle, you could do the full rainbow in a U shape, but I would actually recommend starting from purple in the middle and working your way out to red, so that way you can make sure you have enough space for all the colors.